Hi friends! Today I'll show you how to draw a tractor. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. Let's draw together. First, let's draw the left wheel. Just repeat my movements. Next, we draw the second wheel. This one is twice as big as the first. Here I made a small mistake, but that's okay. We can easily fix it using a thick black marker, just like I'm doing now. Now you'll need a ruler to draw some nice, clean lines. And finally, we draw the tractor itself. Just follow along and draw with me. Awesome work! Subscribe for more easy drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye!